Who goes there?
Hey, it's Jordan. Can I come in?
Please recite the rules.
The commandments. No girls. Leave shoes at door. No curse words. No cooties. No bad vibes. No secrets. Excellent hospitality.
And can you just take the survey below? Just a few questions.
I don't know what Updog is. What's Updog?
Not much. What about you? And we do accept donations. No pressure whatsoever.
Yeah.
Come on in.
You want to see a special talent I can do? Want to see something I can do? I clean the fucking bathrooms here! Why the fuck did you write your name under—
Who the hell had the audacity?
What time is it? It's 9:60. Fuck. Isn't that just 10? Chandler! Are you guys open? We forgot to shut off the lights. Call Aaron! Call Aaron!
Penny, be the meme. Be the meme. Yeah, but I said I wanted Starbucks! Oh God, please stop.
Mom, can we go to Dunkin' Donuts?
Yeah.
Okay, so hear me out. Okay, you got a crunch wrap from Taco Bell, right? Just fold that up. You got a whole ass a room for a whole nother taco. Okay, ready? Boop. Taco. Crunch wrap taco.
I am the Senate.
This is you right here. These are the hoes. This is the money. Don't chase the hoes, because the money ain't gonna chase you. You gotta chase the money so the hoes can chase you.
Oh my God.
Alright guys, I'm gonna be straight up. I think we're using Google way too much. You wanna know why Internet Explorer is so slow? He's nervous. We never use him. And so when we do use him, he's like, oh my!
Y'all ever notice females be like, I'm so crazy, but you never hear guys saying I'm so crazy? Because like when females be so crazy, they go out and they, party and stuff. When guys say they so crazy, they kill people. That's how it goes.
Street apart.
Kevin, why is this marked at 3 inches?
People keep asking me, how do you have no creases in your Air Force Ones? Let me tell you. First things first, put them on. Then you do the renegade. Renegade. Can't get creases in your shoes if you can't walk.
What the fuck is that?
That's fine, everybody flexing and all, but did you know I was born at 4:20 a.m. and I was 6 pounds and 9 ounces?
Hey.
Mom!
Yes,
What do you call a teenage boy who doesn't masturbate?
I don't know.
A liar.
That's true.
Tank, speak. Speak. Come on, speak. 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 Boy. Whisper. Whisper. Whisper.
Sir, how stressed are you about climate change?
You know, if I want another one.
Well, that probably
Why are they so big?
probably smell like chicken. Oh, fuck, he ate that fry like no fucking
No,
problem.
he literally swallowed it.
He pulled that one
He
down.
pulled He's a fat ass!
So these are both of my cats. Well, this one and that one. That's right, you want back in, don't ya? You should have thought about that before you tried fucking your sister. This is Tennessee, not Alabama.
Hey, sir, you know I stopped you today?
Is it because I'm black?
Yes.
Okay.
Is something gonna pop out?
Just open it.
Just
open it! Just open it!
You ever
I like how nobody's talking about how Mountain Dew made a can you can't explode. Watch. Shaking it up real good, real nice. And then watch. I was wrong.
Ran out of tape, so you used tinfoil instead? That's fucking smart. Yeah, oh yeah, they're the same thing. Tinfoil, tape. They both start with T. You know what else starts with T? Tits.
Start. Okay. It's because I'm black.
Legendary videos you're never gonna forget, part 9.
Hey, kids, Patricia! Honey, can you be quiet? I'm just trying to.
So I do dance, and if you're wondering if I'm good or not, here's one of my highlights.
Check this out. I just found this out while you're gone. Check this out. It's a fucking cup holder. It's a cup holder, dude. Look at this shit. Oh shit! No!
Day 23 in the chamber. They ain't found me yet, but when they do, they're gonna be surprised.
Alright, so check this out. When my mom was pregnant with me, she thought for sure I was gonna be a girl. She even had a name picked out and everything. I was gonna be Gwendolyn. My last name's Stacy, so I was this far away from being Peter Parker's bitch. That's 3.5 inches, by the way. Talk about disappointment.
Oh my god, can I help you? She was so kind. She gave it to me with a napkin.
I need to shower. I'm literally wet. I can't. Why? I don't know.
plus 2 is 4. Minus 1, that's 3. Quick maths.
Sweet is a magic number. Okay, I have a serious question for the boys. So, like, you guys can call us, like, mamas and baby girl and, like, all that shit, princess, whatever. What do we call you?
Supreme leader.
Like,